Good morning. In this video, I'll discuss about how to apply least square dummy variable on panel data. I have the data set which has been already used by Grunfeld. In this data set, invest, value and capital stocks are variables in which invest is treated as dependent variable and value and capital stocks are treated as independent variables. First and foremost, we are supposed to create unit dummies. So with the help of these two steps, I'll discuss this LSDB. In first step, I'll create unit dummies and then I'll apply OLS model on dependent variable as well as all independent variables. So in order to create unit dummies, go to add and create and click on this unit dummies. The moment I click on unit dummies, I find here dummy underscore 1. Basically, this unit dummy is nothing but it is the dummy variable of different companies used in this data set. Like if I click on this form, in this form, generally, if you see, there are 10 companies like 111 and then from 1 to 10. So these 10 companies have been created as dummy variable. Then go to model, click on ordinary list squares and my dependent variable is invest. So that's why I select it, put it on dependent variable and then all this invest value, this value capital stock to all dummy will be treated as regressors. So I select it and put here under regressors. Without doing any change, simply click on OK. Then we find a value. The value is like dummy 10 is not given here because one dummy is treated as constant. So rest of the dummy like dummy 1 to dummy 9 have been created. So this du underscore 1, du underscore 2 as well as du underscore 9, right? So all these dummies are nothing but these are the dummy of various companies. Then value, capital stock are my independent variables, right? Overall, if you see value, this is significant. Similarly, capital stock is also significant. But talking about various companies, like in case of company 1, it is not significant. Company 2, company 3 are significant. Then again this 4 is not significant. Again this 6 is not significant and so on. Now the question is, what does it mean this if like in case of dummy 1 is not significant? What does it mean? It means that this value and capital stock are not significant in this dummy 1, dummy 4 and dummy 6. Similarly, these are the various results which I have already discussed. Here rho is given. Rho is nothing but the variance created because of differences in various companies. Then again, if I see overall model, the overall model is also fit because its p-value is less than 5%. So that is all about least square dummy variable in Gretel. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.